Hi folks, co-tutor here and my name is Anil Deshpande. Let's assume that I have a class called person with name and address. And what is address? That's another class. It has got building number, street, locality, city, and a pin. Now, the question that someone might ask is the address class, does it have any relevance outside the person class? Well, the answer could be yes or no, depending upon how you may look at it. Address can be there for a person, it can be there for a letter, it can be there for a college or university for that matter. But as of now, we might say that address doesn't have any relevance outside the person class. Every person has the address. There is no point in having this particular address class being used anywhere else. Adhering to that assumption, we might actually want to change the way the person and address class are defined in our application. We might go ahead and say that this address class should be actually inside the person class because it doesn't have any relevance outside the person class. And that's where the concept of inner classes come into picture. So in this video, we will talk about nested classes and inner classes in Kotlin. So let's go through a demo. As you can see, I have a person class and the address class, and person class uses the address. Well, what I can do is I can put this particular address class as a nested class inside the person class, and what I can do is I can create an instance of person. I can even create a instance of address, and I can assign person dot address is equal to whatever the address that I have set. Or what I could have also done is I could have simply passed this. That is also perfectly fine. Now the question that you might be having is, can the inner class contain some kind of a functionality? Well, of course it can. Say let's assume that I can write a function display address and it just prints some values. Now what I can do is person dot address dot display address, and since it is a null check I have to use question mark here. So let me run this. It will print sample street, sample city, and sample city. Okay, I think this is a problem. Locality. So this basically proves that a nested class can have a function. Now the obvious next question would be, can this nested class access the name here? So what do I mean by that is, can I write this dot street name and execute it? And if I can execute it, can I write this dot name as well? Let us try to do that. Resides at, and here I will try to access this dot name. And as you can see, the auto suggestion doesn't basically give me any mechanism to access the name. But in reality, you may want to actually access the name in the nested class. So how do I do that? Well, there is a mechanism. What you can do is you can declare this class as inner class and then probably define a local variable for the address context name, and here the value would be basically name from the outer class, and here now you can access this dot context name. Now this context name is basically initialized with the outer class's name, and that is how you can access it. But however, now you will see that this will basically give me a compile time error. Constructor of the class address can be called only with the receiver of the containing class. So what it is basically saying is that you cannot directly initialize like this. So what I can do is I can pass a null initially here, then val dot address, and here I can use person. This is the receiving class. So person dot address with whatever the values that you want to initialize. And now the display address should basically be able to access the name of the person. So if I try to run this, as you can see, I am not initializing this properly. It has to be person.address. Now if I run this, I should get the name from the nested class. Well, in Kotlin, you can nest classes inside an interface and interfaces inside a class as well. And a nested class can extend an interface as well. So that's it about the nested classes in Kotlin. In the next video, I will meet you with another new topic. So take care. That brings us to the end of this particular video. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.